Welcome to our Disappearing Negative Energies meditation series. In the series, we are going to practice different meditation techniques which you can use time and time again to disappear negative energies. Today's meditation is witnessing being present. In this meditation, we will be bringing focus to one particular negative energy point. Maybe it's a blockage, a toxic feeling, or maybe a physical pain or illness. Whatever it is for you, so it is. When we practice this technique of witnessing, it allows us to fully engage with our negative energy point. We see it, feel it, embrace it, acknowledge its existence, and then you'll be guided through a disappearing it into nothingness. As we focus our minds, I ask you that you just allow your mind to be open and to have no expectations of any specific outcome of this meditation. Just go with the flow and allow to happen whatever happens for you. Let's get started. Find a comfortable position for you. You may sit in a comfortable chair with feet flat on the ground and hands rested in your lap or your knees. Or feel free to sit on the ground on a bolster to lift your hips to make it as comfortable as possible for you. Rest your hands in your lap, or you may rest them on your knees. You are welcome to have your palms facing down or up, and you can lightly touch the tip of your thumb to the forefinger on each hand to create a connection with the vibrations of your body, your heartbeat. You may even lie down, especially if you meditate before you go to sleep. The main thing here is for you to just do and be whatever is comfortable for you, and then go ahead and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through the nose for a count of 4, bringing fresh oxygen into your body, into your chest and belly. Hold breath for a count of 4 and exhale through the mouth for a count of 5, pushing the air out of your belly by squeezing your diaphragm up toward your chest, pushing the air out slowly. Now again, inhale through the nose for a count of 4. Feel your belly fill with fresh oxygen. Hold for a count of 4 and exhale through the mouth for a count of 5, slowly squeezing your belly to release all the air. Again, inhale for a count of 4. Be aware of the air entering through your body to your belly. Feel its warmth. Hold for a count of 4. Imagine the freshly breathed air flowing through your body, reaching every corner of your body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. And exhale through the mouth for a count of 5. Feeling the air touching the back of your throat, passing over your lips and expelling into the atmosphere. Let's go again. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll leave you here for a few moments to focus on your breath as you allow your whole body to release, relax, and let go. As you continue this breathing technique, I want you to bring your awareness to your own negative energy point, whether it is a toxic energy sitting in the pit of your stomach or your sacral chakra, or maybe a niggling trigger point, pain or headache. It could be a feeling that you cannot pinpoint. If this is the case, then just bring your focus to your sacral chakra, located just below the navel. This chakra is your essence, the center of yourself and your emotional essence. If you have physical pain or illness, bring your attention to exactly that. Now I want you to fully become aware of your negative energy point. How does it feel? Is it tingling, buzzing, pulsing? Sense and feel it in your mind for a moment. Focus on your negative energy point. Does it have a colour? What colour is it? Is the colour solid, pastel, deep? Sense and watch it in your mind for a moment. Focus on your negative energy point. How big is it? If you could fill it with water, how much water would fit in it? Sense and imagine this in your mind for a moment. Focus on your negative energy point. How does it feel? Is it tingling still? Buzzing? Pulsing? Sense and feel it in your mind for a moment. Focus on your negative energy point. Does it have a colour? What colour is it? Is the colour solid, pastel, deep? Sense and watch it in your mind for a moment. Focus on your negative energy point. How big is it now? If you could fill it with water, how much water would fit in it? Sense and imagine this in your mind for a moment. Focus on your negative energy point. How does it feel now? Is it still tingling or buzzing or pulsing? Sense and feel it in your mind for a moment. Focusing on your negative energy point. Does it still have a colour? What colour is it? Is the colour solid, pastel, deep? Sense and watch it in your mind for a moment. Focus on your negative energy point. How big is it now? If you could fill it with water, how much water would fit in it? Sense and imagine this in your mind for a moment. Can you see your negative energy point is lessening, getting smaller and smaller, barely able to fit a drop of water now? Its colour is not so vibrant now. It is barely a whispering mist. It's softening in its rhythm now. You can barely feel it. Stay here. Keep breathing. Inhale for 4. Hold for 4. Exhale for 5. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll leave you to continue this momentum, and when you hear a chime, I'll guide you back to awakenedness. Now stay here for a moment to allow this process to complete. Take a deep breath all the way back in and release it all the way out. Begin to invite movement back into your body and let your head roll gently around in circles. Shift your weight around if you are seated. And then when you are ready, rest your chin down to your chest and gently allow your eyes to blink open. Look back up. Welcome back. Continue to use these guided, disappearing negative energies meditations until you are fluent in their practices. And when you find you need to remove some negative energy that is not serving you, you will be able to meditate instantly into the exact right meditation for you, quickly, effortlessly, for quick recovery. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, KORU Lifestylist, and click on the little bell icon so you can be notified on any new meditations and hypnotherapies as they are released. Join me again tomorrow for more Just Listen meditations. Rest, breathe, smile. Namaste.